So how does a quiz work? A quiz in Click and Learn. So I'll walk you through an example of a quiz. So here you see the interface. And you have a set of questions. The top performers in your class consistently outperform other students because they use a more effective learning strategy. Is that true or false? If you say true and you choose, when you choose the button, you see it's highlighted. And when you click on it, you see the button is filled. That's your choice. Then you submit it and you immediately get a response. Correct. That's right. You selected the correct response. And then you click next question. Attitude is the single most critical success factor in pursuing higher grades of academic performance. Indicate your choice by ticking the box in the corresponding column. Is that true? Attitude is the single most critical success factor. You click on true. Click submit. That's correct. You move to the next question. The material in Click and Learn Toolkit module covers the areas indicated in the official CXC syllabus. Is that true or false? It's true. So you choose it, it's highlighted. The button indicates it's highlighted, you submit. And as you progress through the quiz, you see you get 20 points out of 20. So far, all right. So that's correct. You get 30 points out of 30. And so you go through the
How
different.
would you like to know beforehand how your child will perform before the actual common entrance examination? Wouldn't it be great if you knew? Well, BrainSmart Toolkit offers a simulation of the common entrance examination. This simulation is timed for 1 hour, just like the real examination, and is presented in a similar layout to the actual paper-based examination, where the student has to shade in the oval that he or she thinks has the correct answer. On the computer, you just have to tick off the corresponding circle or box. This simulation provides the child with good practice and, more importantly, gives instant feedback, thus providing strong motivation to the student to persevere in the pursuit of better grades. Do the next 2 quizzes and see how it works.